have the snack criteria, known as the snack area, living with 4 species. The wild lolly is one of these many species. Its brother got eaten earlier, and it will never forget it. Meanwhile, with the salt and vinegar bag, the salt and vinegar bag only dies if its chips inside get eaten. Meanwhile, with pepsin, known as just Pep always vibes around the other snack creatures. Its fear getting drinking by a predator known as Ty. And finally, we have the milk chocolate, known simply as Milk. Milk is one of the first chocolate species in this snack habitat. These 4 species thrive and live, not knowing they'll get attacked in part 2 of Nature DOCQUEMAR.